What's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Leak, and the title of the video is "Police Surprise Creepy Stalker Who Thought She Could Outsmart Them." Okay, so let's get into the video. Let's see what they're talking about.
What was she really looking for when she entered that house uninvited?
Tell Evangelina to come to the door.
Evangelina here?
We know she's here. Tell her to come outside.
Can you tell her to come outside?
Okay. He's coming back. She has something wrong.
Yeah, I gotta talk to her about something. Evangelina,
Yes, sir.
come step out with me. And put your hands behind that for me.
What happened there? I don't know. They ain't gonna tell me shit.
You got anything
I'm gonna talk to you here in a second, okay?
Hurt us anyway?
No, I won't hurt you. Oh my God. Please, what are you doing?
We're gonna walk back to my car.
Man, them cuffs kind of loose, boy.
She walked into somebody's home a few days ago.
He should have lifted up the wrist on the other one too.
We're going to this one right here.
On the left,
This one right here.
on the left hand.
Stand right here, face the car for me.
Whatever.
What we want, cousin? I'll say you mind patting her down for me. You mind patting her down for me if I put her in the car?
Okay, Miss Officer. Okay,
Anything
now.
on you, he said?
That's Miss Parker.
Let go of your sweatshirt. Let go of your sweatshirt.
She'll be on this. Yep. Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, sir.
All right, before I talk to you about what I need to talk to you about, I'm reading your rights, okay?
Yeah, please.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any question if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
Yes, I understand.
Having these rights in mind, would you like to talk to me?
I would like to talk to you.
Okay. So what was the deal with you? What's your relationship with Rebecca?
She's a friend of mine.
Friend of yours?
Yes.
So what's the deal with you going in her residence?
I had knocked on the door. She didn't answer it. So I decided to go inside of it because it was unlocked.
So you decided to go inside because it was unlocked?
Yeah.
Okay. What's the deal with you stalking her?
I haven't talked to her in a while. And we don't usually talk that often. So I decided to search on her Facebook to see how she was doing. And I saw that she had a baby. And I was, happy for her.
I'm sorry, say that last part again.
I had said that I wanted to see how she was doing. I can't go on social media and see how a friend is doing.
Yeah, I got you. But you stated that you were stalking her.
I wasn't really stalking her, like, in real life. I didn't go to her, like, I did go to her house, but I wasn't stalking her, like, in the real life.
You wasn't stalking her in real life. You were just on her web
Her webpage.
on her social media, just trying to see how she was.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, right now you're going to jail for criminal trespass. You can't just walk in people's houses.
How long?
For how long you gonna be in jail?
Yeah.
You're more than likely to get out tomorrow.
Okay, just for a day?
More than likely. You'll see a
This
judge
has happened before. I went to jail for hitting my mother. I'm going to jail for trespassing.
Yep.
For a day. A night.
Pretty much. You'll see a judge tomorrow.
Okay.
Would you like me to tell Mom what's going on?
Yes, please.
Okay.
I got you.
Kid is pretty polite, you know. It seems like the kid got manners and stuff like that. You know, seems like a young girl, so that's, you know, kid or whatever. But you know, she told the. I don't know if it's necessarily the truth, but you know, whatever. She admitted to going inside and stuff like that. So ain't too, you know, too bad. But it seems like she might be heading down the wrong path because this is your second time getting locked up for something that you can avoid. You know, like it's like the first time you beating on your mom, that's crazy. That's insane. But we know, you know, a lot of times with girls, they get along better with their fathers. You know what I'm saying? As a, you know, daddy girl, you know, stuff like that. And then mama's boys and stuff. So, you know, a lot of times girls get along better with their fathers and they bicker with their moms. You know, when women get together, they be, you know, they be going at it. You know what I'm saying? That's how the ladies is. You know what I mean? But yeah. So she beating on her mom, so she went to jail, and now she going for being a creep. That's crazy. And she got an opportunity to kind of change her life around. But if you're going to keep doing stuff like this, you're going to be a lost cause.
Hey, can you go sit with her for a second?
Yeah, why?
I'm about to go tell mom. She want me to tell mom what's going on.
I kind of told her that she walked into someone's house.
Yeah. Put to residence.
She didn't want to talk.
She did.
Did she say about the stalking thing?
Yeah. I'll tell you later. Hey, do you have like a phone or something that you want to go with you?
Yes, I have a phone.
Where's the phone
It's
at?
on the desk
Where at?
in my room.
In your room? Okay. Because once you get out to the jail, they will let you get in your phone and get numbers out if you want it.
Yeah.
Or do you know numbers by heart? You want your phone?
I need the phone.
Okay.
Wait. Did you see her? Wait, hold on. Did she just grab the handle?
You want your phone?
I need the phone.
Okay.
I knew them cuffs were loose, man. I knew them cuffs were loose. And then he didn't even roll her sleeve up. He cuffed her on top of the sleeve. It's easy to slip that one hand out because I knew that, bro. Insane. But she on camera or whatever. I mean, it's, you know. Damn, she hung the cuffs up. Still pretending to be cuffed in the back.
Hey man, let you know you need audio and video recorded on a body worn camera. Step out of the car phone, please. Turn and face the car phone, please. In, out. Here. Thanks. Here. Your feet left. Go that way. You have cuffs on. Where'd your cuffs go?
Where'd your cuffs go? Oh. Ooh, face first. Ooh. Ooh, act right. What? Act right.
Go that way.
Got her together. Ooh.
Have cuffs on. Where'd your cuffs go?
Look, my man's slow, but oh, my man on it. Act right. Oh boy, got her together, boy.
Really? I got it.
You going?
Now you're really going to jail.
Got her together.
Well, nobody wants to go to jail. Don't. Come on. quit being lazy. Come on. Okay.
That one cup
Really?
was a little loose
Stand
too.
up. Roll over. Now stand up. Oh, what?
I knew them cuffs were loose. I said that. And then I said the one, he cuffed her on top of the.
Where are you going?
Nah, he didn't even roll her sleeves up so the cuffs were on the wrist.
Pretty sure.
Yep. Fucking trespass to somebody's house.
You could have got an NTA tonight on that. Now you're going to sit all weekend long. Real.
Yeah, he said she could have got an NTA. It's still a little early. Could have got an NTA tonight. Now you gonna sit the whole weekend. You sick. NTA, notice to appear. You know, you just get a court date, you know, whatever, show up. Crazy.
Wow. Shitty ass handcuffs.
I don't think the handcuffs are shitty. He just did them too loose.
Step up in. Have a seat.
Let me out of resistance, man.
Man,
What did she
cuffs
do?
right in front of his face.
She has to have those handcuffs on her.
My boy blind.
I'll get up Parker here.
Where's the cuffs at?
This motherfucker.
I know he feels stupid. That was right in front of his face. Boy, this is gonna be a tough race.
Pro basketball.
He said, "You thought you was gonna outrun a former pro basketball player?"
Appreciate it. Yeah, I just pushed her in the back to the ground, so.
Perfect.
Yeah. Appreciate it.
The woman was arrested and charged with criminal trespass and resisting arrest. If she
Damn. Oh, let me
is
see.
convicted, what do you think the punishment?
Oh yeah, yeah, that's crazy. I knew them cuffs were loose, man. This is a tough rating now. I don't even know because you can't cuff people that loose like that. And it's not even necessarily that they were loose. Obviously they were loose, but she has a hoodie on. You're supposed to pull the sleeve back, pull her sleeve back, cuff her on the wrist. You feel me? Pull the sleeve back, cuff her on the wrist. The sleeve was still down and he cuffed her over the. Nah, they could slip that. That's a fact. Especially if they loose enough, they could slip that. There shouldn't be anything in between the cuffs and the person's skin. But anyway, damn. It's between 2 and 3 for me. Because cuffing that loose, you know, that's unsatisfactory, man. You gonna fail. Like that's yeah, you recovered because you caught her and stuff like that. But if that was somebody else, I mean, they could have been gone. You know what I'm saying? So for that, I do have to rate them a 2. I gotta rate my guy a 2. I feel bad, you know what I mean? Cause that man, I was rooting for him, but a mistake like that could be costly. You know what I mean? So yeah, you got to do a better job cuffing. But, you know, how well do you think the officers did? Let me know in the comment section. I love to hear your thoughts. I'll catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.